Hello everyone, I'm Sanjay Kumar with my friend Mohit Gupta, and we are from Team Polaris. We have participated in this particular hackathon to share our ideas and skills so that we can work on particular theme and can present one idea which can solve some sort of problems. So, what we have created is dependent upon the theme, which is tools to support homeschooling. What we have created, uh, we have created a web app known as CodeC. So the problem statement was like, now due to this pandemic, every schooling and colleges have started their virtual classrooms, wherein students are given the theoretical knowledge using the online lectures. But what about the practical knowledge? So to fill this small gap in the programming, we have just created an Python online compiler, or we can say editor, which is real time, which can be seen to all the students which have joined to the room, and also teachers who type on that particular editor and run the code will be seen to all the students who are joined to the room in real time. So basically, it is a real-time Python editor wherein students and teacher write the code, and where teacher will have full access to give permission to the student to present the screen. Also, not only this, student can also upload their code to the respective room name, so that teachers can see the code written by the students and also the output to give or just know what knowledge have gained by the students. So now Mohit will explain you whole process of this, or we can say whole working of this web app. So Mohit, over to you.
So hi, my name is Mohit. So I am going to present you a full working demo of this project. So I am logging into my account. Suppose I am a teacher and Sanchi will be acting as a student. So I am writing my password and I am login. So I will be directed to the dashboard, and on the dashboard we have three options. One is create room, one is join room, and one is submit code. A teacher can create a room using the create room button. So it's allow suppose since I am acting as a teacher and Sanch is acting as a student, so I will create a room from create room button. So I am creating a room, and I will be directed to a, since I have joined the room, so this Mohit joined the coding will be outputted, and a circle will be shown for all the joined members, and the circle which is in green color, and the circle which is in green color is the one that is presenting the current, that is presenting currently. So now, Sanjay, can you please join the room on this given room name?
Can I get the room name?
Yes, yes. Uh, uh, Wait a second. I'm sending you here. Have you got it? Since
Yeah.
Sanjay has joined the room from the PQR, now he will be shown here. Since I am the teacher and I have access that who can control this code editor or edit the code on this code editor. It will be like a blackboard on an offline classroom. So suppose I am a teacher, I am right now teaching. So I suppose I will be teaching a print statement in the Python. And one more thing, our code editor will only support Python code, since this is a very basic version that we have created. So since print 2 plus 3, uh, I'm writing print 2 plus 3 and I will be submitting my code. So my output will be shown on the output window. Suppose I will now ask my student Sanjay to edit this code and see that has he learned the syntax. So Sanjay, please, I am giving the permission to write the code. Okay, now Sanjay is presenting. So as you can see, since Sanjay is presenting, his circle has turned green, and my submit button has become disabled. So now Sanjay has access to represent. So now he is writing from his code editor, and it will be visible to everyone who has joined this room like a blackboard on the classroom, offline classroom. Since Sanjay has submitted the code, you can see that he has the output is available and the output should be 3. It's a 1 plus 2. Now I am taking away the permission from the Sanjay. Since I am a teacher, I can take away the permission. So the I have taken away the permission, given the permission to myself. So now, Sanjay, since you have learned the print and function in Pythons, can you submit your code in the given room?
Yeah, sure.
So since I have teach my class, so I can leave the room. Now student can submit their code on the given room. Since Sanjay has left this room, he will be left. Now I can also left my room since my job is done of teaching the students. Now since I have left the room and I have a stats on which all the rooms will be all the code submitted on each room by every student will be displayed. So as we can see, we have these many rooms, and this portable stallion room is the current one that we have accessed. So now, since since Sanjay has submitted the code on the adaptable cheatle, so now I can see his card that he has submitted the code. The name of the student who has submitted the code is PQR, and the output of this there was no error on his code. So therefore the code status will be true, and I can see his code. His code is here, and I can see his output. His output is here. So that's how I can see the submission of every student. It's like a submitting assignment for a particular class. So I can also join a room. Now let's reverse the role. Now Sanjay, I will be act as a teacher, and I will be acting as a student. Sanjay, can you create a room,
Yeah, sure.
and please give me the room name also. Now Sanjay has given me the room name, White Starling. So while joining the room, I will be acting as a student, and I can join the room. Now since I have joined the room and I am a student, you can see I do not have any permissions. Now Sanjay has only the permission to write on this code editor. You can always see this code editor like a blackboard in the classroom. So now Sanjay is writing. So you can see the output is shown. Hello everyone. Now Sanjay, can you give me the permission? Yes, he has given me the permission. Now I will be presenting. Since he has given me the permission, so I can edit the code. Hello, Mohit is here. So here I will submit the code and output will be there. Now, now Sanjay, please take away my permission. Okay. So let's copy this room, and I am leaving the room right now. So I have leave the room. Now I will submit the code. Since I am a student, I have to submit my assignment after the class. So since I am just entering the room ID for which I want to submit the code. So suppose I have learned some print statement in my class. So I will be submitting the code. So I will write print 1 plus 2, and I will first submit a normal submit. So this will output me the code output. So I can see since my code is running fine, so I can do the final submit. So after final submit, my code is submitted, and I can go back. So this and then now since Sanjay is a teacher, he can see all this thing in the stat in his account, not on my account. So this was all about our project, and we hope that it will also be helpful in conducting the practical of programming lab. So now that's all that we have to show. Sanjay, you can take over now.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Hope you have all enjoyed this particular demo. And yeah, so thank you
Okay,
everyone.
so we are signing off now.